Something massive is happening behind the closed doors of Apple's engineering labs, and it's about to completely rewrite the rules of personal computing. For years, the tech giant has been pushing the boundaries of what its custom silicon can do. We saw the leaps made by the M1, the M2, the M3, and the M4 architectures. But right now, supply chain insiders, factory leaks, and industry analysts are pointing toward a device that sounds completely impossible. A machine so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so unbelievably powerful that it threatens to make traditional, towering desktop PCs completely obsolete. This is the story of the upcoming M5 Mac Mini, a device that isn't just a simple generational update, but a total re-engineering of the modern desktop. To truly understand why the tech world is in an absolute frenzy over this unannounced machine, we have to look back at how we got here. Think about what a desktop computer used to be. It was a massive, heavy, loud metal box that sat under your desk, constantly humming, sucking in dust, and throwing off intense heat. If you wanted high performance for video editing, 3D rendering, or heavy coding, you had no choice but to accept that footprint. When Apple introduced the original Apple Silicon Mac Mini, they proved that you could get incredible performance out of a silver aluminum square. But that was just phase one. Over the last few design cycles, Apple has been quietly shrinking the internals, redesigning the power supplies, and preparing for a massive shift. The M5 Mac Mini is the culmination of that entire journey. It is the definitive moment where raw desktop power meets extreme minimalism. Let's talk about the absolute core of this machine, the silicon itself. The M5 chip is built on a highly advanced, ultra-refined 3nm process. In plain terms, this means billions of additional transistors are packed into a space smaller than a postage stamp. When you compress circuitry down to this microscopic level, something magical happens. The distance that data has to travel between the processor, the graphics cores, and the unified memory is reduced to almost zero. This means near instantaneous communication within the system. The speed upgrades aren't going to be incremental. We are looking at a monumental leap in single-core and multi-core processing power that will comfortably leave previous generation Pro-level chips in the dust. But a fast processor is completely useless if it gets too hot and has to slow itself down to avoid burning out. This has always been the ultimate limitation of small computers. Apple's engineering team reportedly solved this by completely redesigning the thermal dynamics of the chassis. Instead of relying on traditional, bulky heatsinks and loud fans that kick in the moment you try to render a video, the M5 Mac Mini is rumored to utilize a highly sophisticated, hyper-efficient internal airflow system. It pulls cool air from a microscopic intake at the base, circulates it directly over the unified thermal zone, and expels it silently through the back. This means you can push the machine to its absolute limits, running intensive simulations, exporting heavy ProRes video files, or compiling massive software projects, and the machine will remain whisper quiet. You won't even know it's turned on, yet it will be tearing through workloads that would make a traditional tower PC roar like a jet engine. The real secret weapon of the M5 architecture, however, isn't just the CPU or the GPU. It is the completely overhauled neural engine. We are living in an era where artificial intelligence is changing how we interact with